Hello and welcome to today's daily message. Today and tomorrow, I'd like to offer some brief reflections on Father Bill's homily from September the 22nd, or the weekend of the 21st and the 22nd. In that homily, Father Bill said that when we reflect upon the character of God as it's revealed in the scripture, we see that consistently throughout both Old and New Testaments, God is a God who desires fairness. What this means is that God is the one who desires, who calls his people to think about the poor, the widows, the orphans, the strangers, the unacceptable people, the marginalized in our midst, that these people should be at the top of our list of concerns and care and compassion and action. Father Bill said that this characterization of God as a God who desires fairness for all God's people is part of our Judeo-Christian inheritance. And so when he talked about the gospel reading for last Sunday, for the Sunday of the 22nd, he related it to the parable of the unjust steward. The unjust steward was one who squandered his master's inheritance. And Father Bill made the connection that the God who desires fairness is part of our inheritance as well, and that we should never squander our inheritance. Jesus in the gospel also criticizes the religious leaders of his day for squandering the inheritance of the scriptures in which God desires justice for the poor and the widows and those who are in need. And so that profound message is one that we can take to heart. That when we reflect upon our calling in this world, when we reflect upon our Catholic Christian faith, we should always keep in mind the God who is a God who desires fairness, and always look out for those among us who are greatest in need. Thank you for watching today.